Okay, and this is the final problem we're working with in the series, matrices. Now, here we're asked to solve a pair of simultaneous equations. 2x plus 3y equal to 5, and minus 5x plus y equal to 13. Using the matrix method, we want to solve this problem, right? So remember, let me just write out what A and B are. A, remember how we get the elements for A, the coefficients, the 2, 3, and negative 5. And what is this? Y, don't forget y is 1y, alright? And of course, B will be our constants over here, 5, 13. So the solution, or is xy, we'll get it by A inverse times B. And in the last video I explained how we arrive at A inverse times B. So A inverse, before we can get the inverse, we need the determinant. Determinant of A, so it's 1 times 2, that's 2. Take away negative 5 times 3, so that's negative 15. And that is 17, good? So the determinant of A is 17, double negative gives us a plus. So 2 plus 15. So the determinant of any matrix is 1 over the determinant, sorry, the inverse of any matrix, 1 over the determinant, so it's 1 over 17 times the adjoint of A. And how do we get the adjoint of A now? These elements in the leading diagonal switch places, and then in the other diagonal the signs change. So this negative 5 become positive 5. And this positive 3 become negative 3, right? And then times B, and B is just a constant over here, 5, 13. And we do our multiplication and we're done. So let me just put 1 over 17, keep it out here for last, and we all know to multiply two matrices, rows by columns. Well, in this case, rows by column, because one column, right? So we take the top row, apply it to the one column over here. So it's 1 times 5, that's 5. Plus negative 3 times 13, that's negative 39. And then we take the 5, 2, apply it to the 5, 13. So 5 times 5, that's 25. Plus 2 times 13, that's 26. So this becomes 39, right? This becomes 1 over 17. In the bracket now we have 5 minus 39, that's negative 34. And 25 plus 26, that's 51. So we multiply each of these values by 1 over 17, or you want to say divide both of them by 17. So negative 34 divided by 17, that's minus 2. And then 51 divided by 17, that's 3. So our solution, x equal to minus 2 and y equal to 3. And again, you can always test them in this equation here to make sure they make sense. Let's test them quickly. If x is minus 2, then 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4. And if y is 3, then 3 times 3, that's 9. So negative 4 plus 9, that's 5. Testing the other equation, x is minus 2. So negative 5x will be negative 5 times negative 2, which is positive 10. And then if y is 3, 1y is just 3, right? So 10 plus 3 is 13. So we are confident that our solution is accurate. So that's it.